Hello again, everyone. Yes, I have a box again, and we are going to unbox, of course. But this unboxing is, of course, a yarn, and this yarn came from Lion brand. That's one of the brand that I really like to use because they have a pretty yarn. But anyway, let's open this already. All right, we're back. I turned off my camera because I almost chopped my my finger. So let's open the box and let's see what's in here, because actually I forgot what I got, but they labeled it here. That way I think the carrier of this package knew what's inside. So I have 16 different types of yarn and different colors, of course. And ta-da! This is my yarn. Oops, I dropped my knife. That's my knife. Alright, so that's the box of yarn. There we go. So I think I don't have a invoice. I'm not sure, maybe I have invoice there, but I have this one. This is a comfy cotton blend, and let's see, I have 7 of this one. So this is a combination of cotton and polyester. See, 50% cotton, 50% polyester. So it's so pretty and it's so soft. I actually already used some of this yarn. I've already used yarn like this before. I think last year I bought a lot of yarn like this, and I made a shawl, a poncho, and a blanket, a baby blanket. And those persons that I gifted it with, they are so happy with it. They're so happy that I gave it to them. So anyway, I have 7 of this one, if you can see here. Let's put it here. That's the other 30, and there's the other one. So next is, ta-da! Respect. I don't know respect means. Oh, it's a recycled polyester blend. Let's see what's the other. Oh, here. So this is also a blend of polyester. Polyester is 45%, 30% acrylic, and 25% cotton. So it has cotton. I never have this one before, so this is my first batch yarn of this one. So this is color, let's see what color is this. Straw here. It's a color straw, and I think I have what, 6 maybe. Let's see if this is the same. Okay, but I can't read it. Oh, this is not the same. It's almost the same though. See the color? But this here is more darker than this one. So I only have 3 of this. So let's put this here already. And then here, I think I only purchased 3 each of this one. So this one is the same as that one there, but this is a sunstone. That's the color. It's sunstone. So I have 3 of that so far. I'm not sure how much or how many I got, but that's how much I got right there. Oh, let's see. This almost like the same as that color. Uh-oh, this is still different, but the color looks almost the same. This one is, I can't write, it's oats. So that's the color of these oats. It's almost the same color, come on. If it doesn't have label, there's a chance of me not to recognize what I have. Here's another one that's almost like that color. And this is Peeble. That's the name of the color. It's Peeble, and look how nice that is. I don't want to open it yet because I don't want it to get dirty. Alright, there's another one. It's a different color, of course. And this color said it's a Mesa. That's the name. So, but I'm sure you're gonna see me use this on my projects because I'm going to make projects of this, of course. I already have projects going on in my brain cells. So this one, the color is plumberry. So that's the color. Alright, so that's plumberry. Let's see the other one. The next one is ta-da! Ebony. This is so beautiful. I like the color. It's so pretty. Can you see that? Yeah, it has the glare of the lights, but it's just so pretty. Alright, next. Ooh, more yarn like that. But this one is evergreen. It has a dark green. See, it has a dark green and a brown, and I think that's dark blue also, and kind of white color. So that's it. I have 3 each of them, and another one, and this is cornflower, and that's the color. So I have 3 of that as well. Okay, last yarn that looks like it is this one, and the color name is Wood Smoke. See, it's almost the same as the first one, the other one that I just showed. But yips, that's it. And let's see, this is a different yarn now. Okay, let's do this first. This is cotton bamboo linen. So this is also a combination of cotton and bamboo. So it has 40% cotton, 35% bamboo, and 25% linen. So there's 3 factors, whatever, different types of yarn that are put together, and I have 4 of these, and this is the yarn that's out there, and the name of this one is, where is the name? What? Didn't put the name. That's not the name. Oh well. Maybe this is the mustard. I just don't remember. But I think this is the mustard. It's color yellow, a golden yellow. Yeah, and I really like this one. It's so pretty. Can you see that? It's so perfect on my skin. But I'm sure I'm gonna make a project with this one, but I'm going to, it's either sell it or give it away. So that's my cotton bamboo linen. I have another one, but that one there is a different color. It's a blue one. Ta-da! Yep, it's blue, and I have 4 of these as well. Here. I really couldn't see where's the name of it. But this one is color blue. See? It's so cute. I like it so much. Oh, by the way, this is the first time I bought this kind of yarn as well. I've never got any like this before. So let's see what I'm gonna come up with with those yarn. All right, here we go. I have 3 more. This is Summer Nights. I really like this Summer Nights yarn. Actually, this one here that I put here, let's tilt this camera, that there, that's my shawl. I just put it there to cover my door. But this yarn is like this one. It's just, I think the color name is, ooh, I forgot the color name, but anyway, I'm gonna put the name of this later. But I really love this type of yarn as well. It is a combination of cotton as well, and let's see if it has cotton, by the way. Oh, it doesn't have cotton. It has acrylic and polyester. See, it has 82% acrylic and 18% polyester there. So I have 3 of this color, and the color name is Castaway. There, it's Castaway. It's blue with white and gray. No white, it's gray, blue, navy blue, and light blue and blue. So that's one of it, and I have another. Oh, here I have that color. So the color of this shawl is this one. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, it's Ocean Cove. That's the name of the yarn. I mean, the name of the color of the yarn. It's Ocean Cove, and I really like this color. It's so pretty. It's so warm with, I mean, so light with your eyes. So I got that. I got 3 of this. And this is the last one. This is color, where's your color name? You're hiding. Okay, here. It's Tropical Punch. The color is so yummy. It's kind of strawberry color, you know. So yummy. That's why maybe it's called Punch. Tropical Punch. Anyway, so that's my yarn that I got from my haul, from my Lion Brand haul. And let's move this here because I'm going to put back my yarn. But let's see which one I'm going to put first. I think I'm going to put this first here. So anyway, I am going to set it aside later because I don't want to make a more use more of your time anymore, because the video is getting longer and longer. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching my video, and I really appreciate your support of me. Also, I would like to announce, finally, this channel is already monetized, and if you would like to join my join button to support my channel, I would really appreciate it. And I think that's all. I am just so happy to, you know, make things with y'all. From time to time, I do make, I do live while I'm crocheting with my project. And yesterday I did live. It's just, I only live for an hour because I'm kind of tired already, so I need to rest my hand. I was already crocheting more projects before I did that one, but I'm going to continue it on my next live. So anyway, thank you all so much, and thank you so much, my love, Equip Yourself Life Skills, for this yarn that you gifted on me again, and I really appreciate it. I love you so much, my love. And oh, I would like to shout out my channel members. So thank you so much, Interesting Hobby Chat, and Hitomi Maisol, and I forgot the names. Okay, I'm just going to put the names here later when I before I upload this video. That way I don't forget your names. So thank you all so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.